Want to create a group in Facebook Forum app? Then you're on the right video. I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how you can easily create a group on Forum app. First thing first, move into your application Forum. Enter your login credentials and make sure that you are logged in into a specific account. Once logged in, tap on this three horizontal line at the top left corner of the screen. You will see the option where it says Create Group. Tap on it. Now firstly, give a name to your group. You can enter any of the name that you want. After that, add the description of your group. Once you have added, now click on Privacy. You can either create a public group or the private. Let me choose private for now. And then click on Save. Tap on Create Group at the bottom of the screen. Wait for a while. There you go. Your group has been created successfully. Now you can post anything and add people in this group. That's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.